She's apparently very comfortable on Daddy.
Hey Tiara, am I a sofa? This hurts.
Are you comfortable on Dada?
This really hurts. My head.
Is that a couch? Is Daddy a couch?
She said Daddy's a couch potato. She took it literally.
Oh, and Tiana sits on my leg.
Not funny?
Yeah.
She's sliding, so I'm kind of holding her. There we go.
The dancer. Dance, baby! You're funny.